Palantir stock closed today at 7.25% on the red. Man, this is huge, especially when you look at the market as a whole. Even though the market started really high and was kind of reddish after the early hour of the trading sessions, they kind of recovered, but it doesn't still explain why you'll see a more broader sell-off for Palantir Technologies, especially with the Fed coming out and kind of cooling the market a little bit off, and tech kind of recovered, and Nasdaq closing almost flat. Same thing with the S&P, almost flat. So when you look at all the press releases from Palantir today, I mean, there is nothing that really pops up that can justify this huge sell-off. I mean, nothing really happened today. So when you have usually a huge sell-off like this without any news, you definitely know this is market manipulation. And we know market manipulation is the result of the suits willing to get the retail scared and out before they get back in order to run the next leg up. We know Q2 is coming, and Palantir has been banging new contracts left and right. And as a matter of fact, it's been recovering. If you look at the last month or so, we've been coming slowly and calmly back all the way up from the high 45 that we hit during the early January and February of this year. So you look at where we were around the 20s, even the 18s in May, where every single high growth, tech stocks were slammed and hammered. We've been kind of doing good lately and even hit to 27, but 25% in maybe 2 weeks time, it's not justified if it's not the market manipulation. So guys, the answer of why the drop today is there is really no answer I can see if it's not the suits trying to scare the retails out before the legs run up. We know we've been here before. They've done that with other stocks. If you look at NIO, for example, today NIO dropped 8.45%, almost 9% without any single news also justifying the drop. And as a matter of fact, NIO also had good news coming lately. So there you have it, folks. What I'm doing personally is, since I'm in here for the long term, I'm not really swing trading this, so it will get back to where it were, even go beyond. When you look at the price targets for the end of this year and the next 3, 4, 5 years, this is easily a triple-digit stock. So because of that, guys, my horizon is not met yet, so I'm not freaking out. I'm not freaking leaving. I'm staying, but that's just me.